You know, anytime it's 11:30, even if I'm not in the best of moods, I'm excited. I'm excited because I think we'll be one of the few people that actually love what they do.
Just a few of us, and we know plenty like that. We just small,
very
like
small.
this.
We're quite not. Our commodity is quite scarce.
I mean, we don't see us anywhere like that. We're rare.
Very rare breed. Our thinking, our thoughts, our direction of medulla oblongata, something is quite in a small form.
Yes, in this very. Medulla oblongata is in this.
No. The thinking of what we like is not in a massive quantity.
Thinking of what we like.
No worry yourself. It just means say we rare. No worry.
No, it means say we don't know much.
No, we know much.
That one when you talk just now means say
we know much, but because we know proud, so we know like they act like say we too know. Just take on like that. Take on like that. You understand? So that's the format.
Innuendo.
That's the format.
Now welcome.
So welcome to your favorite show.
Yeah, the party show, baby. Somebody make some noise.
Woohoo!
I didn't hear this.
Woohoo!
Wait.
Woohoo!
All right, so now welcome on top of the show. You know how we do. Rain are falling since inside Lagos.
Everywhere cool.
Oh, that rain yesterday.
Last night.
Oh,
the rain last night.
Oh, we are the. I covered it.
Nadia. You know, for this country, I want to talk something. For people waiting for inside Nigeria, for when they watch us for diaspora.
Yes.
For those of us waiting for inside Nigeria, I think we get something to be very, very grateful for. Because I go tell you what, we don't get problem of all those tsunami, rainfall, scatter everywhere. It's in break, destroy people. You understand? We they get issues of our drainage water, especially for inside Lagos. You understand? But it's not as bad as waiting to happen for other places. So for we be Nigerians, I think we have something to be grateful for. God still loves us, really. Yes. Because many things, sometimes some rain not reach like this, so plenty of people don't carry on waka.
But not until we talk about that. They say the one way God give other countries for government, he come out for weather. He can't give us for weather. He come out for government.
But you know, say I don't agree with that. If you see some other country government or then they use intelligence. They do corruption. Forget this thing.
No, that one intelligence. See,
no, you don't understand.
Not be one person for this country move millions. Other people that way they move the money said they tell us, you're all too much, madam.
For other countries, people they move millions of money.
And they work.
But no. But the way they don't do them, the people, they don't twist their head so much that they don't even notice. Now we will come there outside the country, they help them. See, they say,
They move you.
They move for the money now. At least we for a year, we still they talk, and when we say we go see say auntie, well done for your movement.
Our own for a year.
You understand?
Then they move the world.
This movement now everywhere.
They move the world.
Now everywhere.
Not everywhere.
Go North Korea, go see what's in the happen.
But our own for this
South Korea, go India, go see what's in the happen.
You know what TB make one thief. Look at that thief. Say, your thief is too much. You're wicked thief.
You know, say for this country, sir, you see middle class people, you see high class, look at everybody they mingle. Go India, they not born you where high class, low class, where on one jam.
Everybody will just
and it to continue that for a very long time because they don't. It's funny.
We thank God for this country.
Yeah.
We thank God for from our weather to everything.
Nigeria, we hail thee.
Nigeria, we have our first national anthem.
Nigeria, we hail thee. Don't worry, more just go bring.
Now then we sabi and rich.
Don't lie. lie. No, we say no. Allow them insult us.
Nigeria, we hailed. Finish. So go on break now. Now say my we have started the show like this. So don't go anywhere. The party show you are there. Cheers. You know how we do. Holla, baby. Holla.
Holla.
You just like one just why that year. When they thought say the girl come house, that you're pregnant for that. He said, I'm pregnant for who? You're pregnant for who? You pregnant for this? As Papa they argue, that one heavy home your pack for outside. And the man come, that guy say, I'm very, very sorry, sir. I'm the one that impregnated your daughter, and I say be like this now, one marry. And the man say, when you see the person who pregnant the daughter, he get money pass her. He say, I have 2 other daughters.
You want to pregnant them too?
Want to pregnant them too, just in case for to be continued. So.
All right, okay, real quick, give us Yan.
Yan, the Yan. We're standing by like standing by.
Yeah, now so this, I don't know. These our people where they deback. Make we tell you now one secret. Any smart thing, stand by, stand by. You not sit there, sit down with
the form professional.
Stand by.
We are sitting down.
Coming to you in 5, 4, 3, 2, and you are there.
And you are there.
And you are there.
Come. You are just say you too sabi work. Forget it. Forget it. Now we are sitting by.
Yes.
Thank you very much. We are coming on you.
You are coming on you. Maiwa, take it easy. We are coming on you now.
Please change your statement. Thank you.
All right, so the first is now Emma Dami Duro.
It's Davido.
I can't white.
Hey, no, forget now. We don't bleach for today.
We don't bleach for today's show. We bleach.
For today's show, we
no
bleach.
problem. Una know this guy now. Kelewu.
Davido.
Yeah. Obio. Naim Obio, they waka for, they waka for streets one day on top Friday, 16th of October, we just passed, so 2015. They waka for streets and he attention can't drum to one particular guy where they beg. You understand? The guy they beg, they hustle and everything. I don't know what attract Obio to this particular boy, but he said, bring that boy to me. Bring that boy. No. This boy is also his tithes. I must sponsor him through school.
Wow.
I want to pay for his education till he reach a university.
Wow.
So now Davido say, bring the boy to me. He can't put the boy picture for Facebook and everything. Can't find out, say the boy name na Abubakar.
Okay, so now for that we'll come up at the top the video issue and we are going to jump into South Africa. Oscar Pistorius.
Hey.
Oscar Pistorius. The man with the blade leg.
Yes.
The man with a leg not there, but they use one kind of iron thing they run.
You know, so now they call my friend.
Yes.
Because she says they use iron for one leg. So they call her name na Nike. And they call her Nikki P. Nike Pistorius. But now I don't remix her. They call her Pisto Snare.
Pisto Snare. Wow.
Pisto Snare.
Pisto Snare.
Yeah.
Snare for just because of Nike.
Sneni.
Pisto Sneni.
Okay, I go tell her later. Pisto Sneni.
Okay. Make for your rhyme.
Me for
Oscar now is about to serve 12 months. Make I read down correctly, just as the thing table before. Yeah, make I not go miscue. They don't free him from prison after don't serve 12 months of a 5-year sentence when he's supposed to serve. When he killing girlfriend in Rivers 10 camp. For those of that who remember, now his girlfriend be this way for picture. 2 of the 9 be that. And one day they all wake up saying don't kill his girlfriend. He shoot them several times. And one thing, plenty talk. But he's supposed to serve 5 years inside prison. But so far 12 months, 9 don't serve. And like this, different people don't carry him out for the whole thing. Say, so I they watch him yesterday for news. And some South Africans just they talk, say they don't like this particular thing. Say now because it's popular, they make all this kind of people that they allow and make him just come out like that.
12 months, that's a year now.
1 year now out of 5 years. The 28-year-old Paralympian, now he did for your uncle mansion. And then go to stay when they do in house arrest. House arrest now go there. They say very, very soon, him and the family of the girl, they will soon meet. That's if they don't decide to meet him. But as it be like this, now for your house, now for your uncle mansion, and then you just stay for the meantime. As the reporters even ask the lawyer will be the helper and they do the whole thing. The man says, now talk to me like this in the house already. You get me now? So nobody say they want it already day, uncle, you don't day already. All right, but different reactions. People they vex. Some people talk say, well, now the law, and then go hold the whole thing and then sabi. You're supposed to serve 5 years, but 12 months only, 9 be 1 year, 9 don't serve. They don't carry and go do house arrest. What do you feel about the whole thing? You feel that the law, now they doing thing, they also give preference to A-listers. People then will be number 1 for the country and one thing, because the celebrity be, they know judgment not too touch and too much. Because one guy talk say, one normal guy, civilian, talk say, to say na him killing girlfriend. Now for life, they for put him for prison. Him, he say no, say now for life.
Or maybe even give him like 100 shots.
They mention years now. They say like 200 years for prison. But the whole of us are life with that. But any which way, how you feel about them? Just let us know on top Twitter. You personally, you feel that the right thing, no switching for mind, want the law, they give preference Twitter at Wazobia Paddy Paddy. Reach here, launch your own gist, launch your own comment on top of the whole P, and then we are continuing. Not big too.
Yes, me, I've been, they follow that Pistorius matter. I follow him well. But when it can't reach the case of judgment, how many years then give him, when the thing begin, I just totally lost interest because,
when they release the whole thing, I just don't say people,
oh well,
people
so just send your comment, make we know as you feel about him to @Wazobia Paddy Paddy. You know how we do.
And you say you don't help anybody for this life. Who have you helped?
Who you help?
Who you help?
The question is who
you help. Like the video now, who you help. Let us know if you don't help anybody for this life.
# who you help.
Yes, on top Twitter. Who you are help.
Who you help.
Like me now, I don't help people well.
Yes, same
I
here.
help them well.
Like I'm helping him.
Yes, you know, so like they help her sometimes.
We're having help.
They take care of some things.
Together helpness.
We are helpers for both of ourselves. They take care of
together
helpless.
Together helpness.
Helpness. Wow.
Hey.
Wow.
How they speak English.
Missiane.
How they speak English.
Professional Missiane. So let us know. So we'll go break. No. And they'll continue on top here. The professional helpless.
Together helpless.
Wow. Professional tabon.
Yeah. We don't know, say, you people of color, you don't really know how to dance.
Some people tell you now when they chop Ghana jollof.
Ghana jollof, or when they chop Nigerian jollof, when the thing just enter there, jollof rice, they'll just begin, yes sir.
But you know, say people are there. For some people, this thing what she they do now for her mind.
She did
dance.
She don't see.
She did dance. You understand? So different people have their own thing for this life. For her mind now, like Chris Brown,
Chris Brownie,
the
female version. Chris Brownie. What you call that? Say, Pisto Snare, ne.
Which one?
Pisto Snare,
ni.
Pisto Snare, ni. Nadia. All right, back to the next gist. This one concerns Majek Fashek in New York.
Send down the rain. Send down the rain. Mama,
send down the rain. Majek Fashek. Yes, the living legend.
Yes.
After him release from the rehabilitation, that place you go where people that used to, you understand, when their head have go, where they used to go to call the head back.
Do that again.
Where they used to go for them to call the head back.
Yes.
So you have go there, they have called his head back.
Yes.
And then he can't, the first performance when he do now for celebration.
He can't
this
fresh.
celebration way fast. Yeah, it can't fresh because you know say that thing absorbs, it sucks life out of you.
Yes.
So the guy now be like, don't they chop better in diet, in meal, but in can't do a first performance for celebration. I hear saying kill him.
If we get the video now, make them watch out. Irie, that the atmosphere, that the atmosphere. Blacker.
Shut up. Blacker.
No
be you, Majek Fashek now, you have come. You've come and do performance. And the funny thing be say, what better way to come back from rehab than one legend to honor another legend.
Exactly.
You understand? So that's it.
But person they talk just now, before we even start the thing, we don't play this video before we start this. He say, this one we say for celebration. Everywhere, now people they do.
Airtight, my brother.
Everywhere.
Airtight.
Now everybody blaze. And he just come out from rehab.
Say you no go
that environment no go too good for him based on saying just come out from rehab. You understand?
But maybe you know saying don't talk and when he come out, say I go prove to the world. Say I don't dey clean and I go do what I need to do. So maybe this is him proving that irrespective of the environment, I still no just dey watch.
But you know say he don't go rehab several times.
Yes.
But this particular time when you go, the guys come from abroad. People then will love them.
Yeah.
Come from abroad. They say this one now.
Too
you
many
must
heads
clean the
putting
clean.
Together.
Everybody. They say this one. Tie and rope. They hold them. Say you must clean. They go flush everything.
But the guy they sing sha.
But no, natural now. On Sunday they hear one radio program. They compare in voice and Bob Marley own. When no, forget him. They say even sing a rainmaker song. Send down the rain.
He sing
send down the rain.
He sing all in hits.
No. God bless us with some kind of people. Some kind of people. Any which way, this last gist, if I take something like this yesterday, Lama Odom. still based on the
Lakers.
And the LA Lakers guy will be the former husband to Khloe Kardashian of the Kardashian clan. Now, yesterday they tell us say he done the recover small from a small for the stroke and then the fainting thing when he enter. The coma when he enters. But now he done do other things. Them he don't enter wheelchair. They don't carry and go house. Don't they do very very okay. And then the guy don't medically don't they respond well to treatment. So now Lamar be that.
Thank you.
So Lamar, welcome back to life.
To Lamar.
In Khloe Kardashian wife, don't they follow him up and down and say she no go live inside. Even as it be like this, they'll carry and go rehab.
Of course.
They'll carry and go rehab. See, based on the rehab things, they'll carry and go rehab, making just go get himself.
Making get himself.
But sometimes I don't wonder
making stop all those nicotine things.
All these celebrities for that side. Say, you know, say you get where fame they reach.
Are you kidding? You don't forget the guy who do Home Alone.
Oh,
have you seen him recently?
Macaulay Culkin.
Yes. And then Lindsay Lohan. You don't see her recently?
Lindsay Lohan still don't enter on that level again. I think she don't clean finish.
She don't, but I mean, you needed to see the way the thing almost damaged her.
Oh, of course.
And then there was one time Britney Spears too.
Yes, Britney Spears don't clean now.
You understand? So I don't know what they worry all of them. Oh my God.
Anyway, Lamar, we just speed the recovery, even though you are not know us. We will say one day you will know us. But correct one. Say you don't come up from coma and now you are very, very okay. Okay. But when I don't smoke this thing, when I only one.
My brother, make I tell you why I'm about quick. Even our own people for here, you understand? All those that do with some cool kind of things. You understand? If they tell you how much those people they set aside for blow alone, you go shock. Artists for this week country, my parents them watch where your children go. The truth is, watch.
This one said don't pass parents so now. Because if they were picking now, they don't even know what they do again.
And I tell you this thing, watch your children because for this country where we dey, people they high. So make you respect yourself and take care of your own.
Anyway, now you come on mass on top every week concerning the yarn and our scarf. Let's just stroll and enter into the laugh things. You know what I'm saying?
Based on the fact that we have different packages.
Yeah.
You understand? Different packages. And this package right now is called Love the Law.
Love the Law.
What are you going to love to bring there?
Michael, get up and get ready for school. No, I don't want to go, no. Please, mama, don't make me go. Talk to him.
He fast.
The thing fast. We didn't really get a grip.
Yes. The first one, Michael Jackson, they try to sing like Michael Jackson. The other one, they get one go beat person.
No, I don't want to go, no. Please, mama, don't make me go. Talk to him.
Just talk to her. Now why they do like Mumuna?
When the girlfriend come here, you say, hey, you want to go and talk to my boyfriend? Now be the stoning from distance. Come and fall down now. From distance, as you're here, go talk to him. Now she raise head.
And let all the audience laugh.
That was very funny. Very, very funny.
All right, follow us for Instagram at Wazobia TVNG. At Wazobia TVNG. Follow me on top Instagram at Mayowa Lambe. Follow Ogbolo at Ogbolo. And then for YouTube, for people waiting for the diaspora or people that have a data or all those many things, then just go to youtube.com/Wazobia TV, paddy, and all your episodes go there, including of your green teeth. Everything you shall see on the YouTube.
Okay, so bing.
Typewriter.
Ink not finished, so.
Man, I bring corrective fluid.
All right, so we'll see you tomorrow. God bless you all. Stay very kind to one another and love every of yourself. Come around yourself. Just be beautiful. Be nice. And just enjoy life. Life too short.
Life is too short, yeah.
So just.
And again, who you help?
Who you are help?
Help person.
Help person.
It will not kill you.
It will not kill you.
Have
help
a
somebody.
helping spirit.
Mayowa, help me come out this table. Where they go?
Where they go?
Una buy you.
Help.
Help somebody. Who you help?
Somebody.
Who you help? If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.